Hello YouTube friends. Today I'm gonna do my daily routine easy makeup tutorial. Okay, let's get started. But before that, I'm gonna tie my hair first. So just give me a few seconds. Just quick tie, get all that hair out of the way. Okay, let's get it started. I'm gonna do quickly because my baby's sleeping right now. So wish me luck. Okay, first I'm gonna put this luminous natural foundation. I already put, because my face is kind of dry, so I use coconut oil, just, you know, keep it moist, and then I can add this foundation. Okay, just put in your hand, put it in your face. I have my mirror right here beside me so I can look at myself, and you can put in your neck also. Okay, excuse me guys, I got pretty bad runny nose. Okay, so oops, so I think that's pretty much done. As you can see, my eyebrow is not that good. You see, it's so thin. So we gotta fix on that. And after that, I gotta put on this. Oh, before that, I have this one. It's called Yafu. My husband bought it for me as a gift last Christmas. So I love to use this because it covered up my, little dark spots. Oops. It's pretty white inside, as you can see. And there's two shades of it. This light one and a little bit dark one. Yeah, it's hard to see, but there's two of them. I don't use like how they call it, covered up foundation around the eyes because my eyes kind of sensitive to makeup, so I just put light makeup, not too much. Then after that, I love to use this one. It's a Bake bronzer. Okay. And I love to put this around here, under here, and in my forehead also. Just pretty much all around my face because I don't want to look like too white, my face, because I just want to keep my color a little bit darker. So after that, I'm gonna put this, what's the name of this? Okay, it's a blush. Okay, it's a blush on. So let's put the blush on to my cheeks. Okay, I like the color of this. It's kind of like orangey pink. I like that color. So you can use any color that you like, that you think would match on your face color, skin tone. So yeah. Okay, sorry about that. My light is pretty bad right now. So let me adjust. Okay, after you put blush on, then I can work on my my eyeshadow. So here we go. I love the color. This one, I have two of this. This was from Color Workshop. Just a simple makeup that I have. So I like these shades right here. Pink and this like dark pink thing. And yeah, and I put the color, the light color right on the top. I just use my finger because I'm get used to it, to use my finger, just keep it easy for me. But you can use the little tiny brush thingy to put on your makeup, but I just prefer it this way. Now I put this light orange right here, then I put the pink right on top of it. So yeah, my children, they're downstairs right now. I wish they would not come here and make some noises because I really want to do this quick, guys. Okay, so it's kind of hard to, I'm not a makeup expert, so I just do what's best and easy for me. Okay, next, excuse me, guys. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit this one to add shimmering. I like a little bit shimmer color thing. So you can see I use these shades right here, a light pink one. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna do with my eyeliner. So let's do it. And when I put my eyeliner, I just do it on the upper part of my eyes. I don't put in the bottom part because my eyes is sensitive and it turn red. So I just put the top because it make my eyes a little bit, you know, pop. Yeah. Also I have a little tip. I like to put right here, that side, a little bit on the bottom, just the very corner. Yeah, right there, not all the way here. As you can see, my eyes is kind of, yeah. So let's see, where's the eye? Okay. After that, I'm gonna do with my eyebrow. My eyebrow is pretty thin, so I wanna make a little bit of thick. So I just prefer to do this way than the brush one. With you use the powder one. I just like this because I'm comfortable to use it. Okay, then after that I have this little tiny brush thing to blend in, just like that. Okay, I don't put too much because it will look weird on me. I just put a little bit, cover up, because my eyebrow is, some hair is, I accidentally pull it when I was a few years ago, when I was teenager, because I don't know how to put makeup that time. I was just playing with my eyebrow, so that's what happened. And after that, it stopped growing, like right here. It only kept growing like only here, that side here. But right in the eyebrow area, it don't grow back. So I feel so bad. Not yet, promise. That's my daughter. So, okay. Not yet, baby. Later. Okay, this almost. So I'm not sure if that's even enough, as you can see. Yeah. Oh my God, it's already 11 minutes. Yeah, my husband always complaining, why it take you so long to put your makeup? So I try to challenge myself, like, just 5 minutes quick makeup. And this is so cute. I believe this is from Num Nums. It's a, it's a lip smacker. So I put it first to keep my lips moisturized. Yeah. Then after that, I put my, this here. It's from Profusion lipstick. So I put that there. Okay, I don't put too much because I don't want to make my lips like too red. And then I have this one is Rimmel. My husband bought it for me as a gift. And I like to put this right on top of it. Just a little tip, and then I use my finger to blend it. Just use your hands, guys. I don't have special tools to, to blend it. I have this, excuse me. I have this one is lipstick liner to, to put it here to make your lips like pop and even and make like heart shapes all the way here, the very top. Like you put it here. But I have no patience for that. I don't know how to put it exactly, so I don't use it. I just keep it simple. So, oh, one more thing. Don't forget mascara. As you can see, my here, my pilik mata in Bisaya pa. Actually, guys, I speak Bisaya. Oh my son, he's crying right now. He's looking for me. Okay, I put it in my eyelashes. Yeah, that's English, eyelashes. I put it in my eyelashes right there. And that's it. That's my daily makeup when I go outside. And then I fix my hair and I'll be good to go. Okay, just like that. Yeah. And my hair is a mess right now. I just keep my hair like this. And when I go to chapel, yeah. And thanks for watching, guys. I think I have to go. My son is coming now. And don't forget to like this video if you like, and share and subscribe to my channel to see more of my upcoming more videos to show. And God bless to all and mabuhay sa lahat. On one more thing, I want to say hello to my mama, papa, all my brothers and sisters. I'm Filipina and they live in Philippines. I'm the only one here in the USA. So and I miss them so much, and I want to say hello to them, and I love you all so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.